Hey, I'm Poppy. Welcome to Spartan Kids. So, let's draw a flag and make it the best flag ever. Step 1. Draw a pole. Step 2. Draw a rectangle. Step 3. Divide it into 3 equal horizontal sections. Step 4. Draw a circle at the center of the middle section. Step 5. Draw 24 spokes in the circle. Step 6. Draw the cord or rope from the top until the end of the pole. Step 7. Draw the base for the stand. Step 8. Now color the flag. Step 9. Saffron at the top. Step 10. White in the middle. Step 11. Dark green at the bottom in equal proportion. Step 12. In the center of the white band is a navy blue wheel. Step 13. Color the pole in brown and stand in gray. Happy Republic Day to all of you! Thank you for watching our Spartan Kids videos. See you soon with something new!